In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your PayPal profile link. This is a quick and simple process, and it's useful if you want other people to find your payment profile more easily and send you money without having to search for your details manually. As we go through it, I'll show you exactly where to tap and what each option means, so the whole process feels straightforward. To begin, open PayPal and make sure you're on the main screen of your account. From there, look for the Send and Request section and tap on it. This is the area where PayPal groups together the tools for sending money to others and asking for payments, so this is the correct place to start when you want to share your profile link. Once you're inside that section, go to the Request tab. This tab is specifically designed for receiving money, and it also includes options that help you share your payment information with other people in a more convenient way. After that, select Share Your Personal Profile. This option creates a shareable link connected to your PayPal profile, making it easier for someone to reach your payment page directly. It's a handy feature if you plan to send your details to friends, clients, or anyone who needs a fast way to pay you. Next, tap the Share button. When you do that, PayPal will show you several ways to share your personal profile link. Depending on your device and the apps you have installed, you may see a few different sharing options. For example, you can copy the link if you want to paste it into a text message, email, note, or another app manually. You may also have the option to share it directly through apps like Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, and other supported platforms. If you want the most flexibility, copying the link is often the easiest option, since you can paste it anywhere you like. Before sending it out, it's a good idea to double-check that you're sharing it in the right place and with the right person. That way you keep things organized and make sure the recipient gets the correct link. And there you go. That's how to share your PayPal profile link. As you can see, it only takes a few taps once you know where to find the option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.